Octopuses don't know what their long limbs are doing. Unlike humans, their brains don't map the activity of their 8 arms. So why don't they end up tied in knots? This question is what led researchers at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem to experiment with amputated octopus arms. In laboratory studies, amputated octopus arms would not succor to octopus skin. They don't even succor to a petri dish covered with octopus skin. So researchers concluded the skin of an octopus has a chemical property designed to stop sucker grabbing. So what about with live octopuses? It seems living creatures can override the skin's repellent properties when they want to. This octopus is reaching for the amputated arm of another animal of the same species. Scientists want to know whether the octopus will treat the arm as a food item or if it will treat it differently because the skin's emitting that anti-suckering chemical. As the arm stays alive for an hour after removal, it's having a struggle. Eventually, though, the octopus manages to grab the amputated arm. It holds it in its mouth as if it were normal food. In this test, scientists cut off an octopus's arm and put it back in the tank to see how the creature would react to its own limb. In this case, the animal was less inclined to grab it, and when it eventually gets it in its mouth, it holds it by the amputation wound away from the skin. So it seems octopuses are intelligent enough not to tie themselves in knots. Even though they don't know where their arms are, their own skin essentially repels their suckers, so they don't end up in a tangle.